I promised to talk about more research, and I'm back here with it today. So this was a study which was published in 2016, looking at a cohort of 6,000 children in Japan. And what they found is that there was a higher prediction of having sleep bruxism in children who snored, who showed signs of sleep disordered breathing, and there was very minimal correlation with age, etc. This brings us back to discussing that when we do see children in our practices who are grinding their teeth, these children deserve to be asked more questions about, are they snoring, how is their breathing, so that we are treating a bigger problem than just teeth grinding.